tap dancing in the golden sun. Laughed through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky, but now 2 hearts caught in a tie. Back from the horizon, homeward bound. Saw his smile, my heart unwound. Charmed like fire, eyes of the sea, he turned and whispered dreams to me. Oh, the ultimate love cuts like glass. 2 souls stitched where shadows pass. 1 heart leans, the other strays, caught in love's intricate maze.
Hello. Morning.
My sister's voice
It seems I know your face.
Hello. No. What are you trying to tell me? I just ordered an Uber and you are here. So let's go.
Wait. I remember this. And you will now 93 days only lady be more family. You see, you do have a Uber. Some say, won't you have a card in a moment? One for the few pay.
Gonna for me bag and I'm back. Like no pay and what she share. Who is so big for about you? Oh, best so do best share me.
Hey, wait. I'm sharing an idea. Over 93 days if you are one lady can see a bisa.
You know what? I don't know.
Make sure when you remove your sheets.
I have eye problem. Please.
Ah, girl, we are smart.
You know what? I don't know you.
No, we both make me a good driver.
I'm not even going out again. I'm tired. I'm not going.
Waiting, I'm not cutting my ear. Jack, my friend, that's a waiting. Yeah, Chairman. Let me meet the family. Say, as long as you didn't last time, I'm a catcher. You didn't miss the way, my barber for a while. Never.
Yeah. But hey, Baba. David, 50 not the top. There's Mindy, 50 the Mindy. One. Okay, then Metro, fine, Metro. Okay.
You have business, every time business with us.
Master, any business is never how. But for a purpose, because humanity, the baby, what I say, me judge you my one on my banner, or guns with judge you my one in your banner. It's no matter how far girls in this I could say.
Wait, make I talk. They allow you more than they talk sense. Allow me make I talk.
Actually, allow you to talk.
I think you talk about business.
Always when we come here to talk about this, and you just want to eliminate me, you want to that thing I don't like my
guy, you need to
talk.
Let me talk. See, AKWABOAH, how far?
I dare my brother.
I know say you
get not some walk and you did some. Oh,
can you allow me to talk? Please.
What's up, Charlie? My head.
No way they ask you about what's up. What about those girls now? You promised me say you go talk to them. You go explain everything. How far?
You talk about business, but ladies, every day your mind, ladies.
Now you tell me waiting the worry you said.
Wait, guys, no be business at first as Nana. We don't talk about business now.
But we are not done about the business.
We are talking about the girls. How far, my bro? Oh,
you never need to shout. You never need to shout.
It's fine.
What's up?
Yeah, but I only have been coming to me and you baby, my half a yabanya about this out. Answer I would go to us and a business.
I'll talk to them. I'll talk to them. I'm going to too much.
Guy, go straight to the point and tell me why are you doing that if you are not serious?
I'm talking what?
I'm serious.
I talk to them. I talk to ladies, but they say they are not interested about it.
Me no one pay me an answer.
That's what I wanted to ask you. Wait, I think because of this, since he hear that they are from America, he's wearing chain as if he's Lowen or 50 cents. Guy,
do you know how much
make I finish this in the breast me now? I think na him they reject.
No, reject you guys.
Jesus.
For what reason?
I don't even know.
At the first, I people want you. Wait.
You fight because of the lady.
Guy, be serious now. Are you sure what you're saying?
I'm not lying. But I talked to them, but they said they are not interested in a relationship with those stars. They are talking. I don't even know the reason why.
If they are not interested, this guy have already proposed to them.
This guy is a woman. If this guy no get that more himself.
How can you tell me that girls no someone interested just like that without any reason?
I know but they carry you come out. You know that allow me to talk.
My friend, we are all serious here. You always.
If you see that, the way they dream of that nyash, the way I go handle that nyash, that big one. And they tell me say.
And here you are. Go and carry that nyash. Go and carry. Master.
Let me call that guy.
Who sure so happy girls?
Wait, with the talk, you won't call which person we won't call.
Charlie, can't talk now. Business we are doing, Charlie. Every day, like me rest you.
Guys, they said there is time for everything. Even the Bible tells us there is time for everything. We don't talk about work now. Now we talk about woman. This girl, you know that part one we're getting her say I like that girl. Guys, waiting the happen.
And here you are. You like the nyash. Here you are. Go and take the nyash. You always talk blah 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 blah. Always you just want friends.
Do you have mansion? You don't even have mansion. You don't have nothing.
Forget about mansion. God said that in my father's house there is many mansions. You go there and live. For now, you see that nyash now my mansion where they find now. What's up?
Second paradise in your mansion.
My brother, where you? Find money, right? You have to chase money.
Who you should buy my money in there?
Guy, you pursue money past me. Why you do like this now? I think say this girls. I like you know that I don't touch the girls. You know how far.
So you have to calm down and fight, like search for money, search money, and stop that follow lady.
Search for what?
Charlie, help me to do that because my
guy, you start taking my I don't know about it. You dey craze. Guy, you stand up. You think that we dey play? See, as we are young man now my help where you supposed to do me now, you don't do it. Your own go reach you, your time go reach where you go ask for my own help, I don't go do you.
No, I'll do my best too.
You do waiting best. Which best way you do? Which best way
you do?
Why you guys don't even trust me?
Only me now one project come away. Only member. Say the me dey ade ama wa wonya.
You dey talk about trust. You dey talk about who they go leave this guy. This guy will be friend.
Why am here? Because
by the time I cost 2 hours and why me bet now 1 second me
idea
guy
like
if I for collect this laptop now they go in
but my life is that though.
Your life is
mama everybody there said me inside spaghetti
made that food kid you here. If they talk about them where person we they talk about woman, they talk about food. Wetin we dey use food do? Waiting sweet past woman.
Anyway, me gay you. We don't know
this carry this thing now. You do it.
This is my life. This might be my life.
Let's go.
See this guy. This guy dey do his house.
Let's go.
See person go.
Friend.
What is the woman? You don't go fit talk now.
Hey, wow. This is also fiscal. Like, we're very also fiscal. Fight for money, no. Or fight for ladies, and it's with that. We work more. Hey, so let's best go. Money can do everything. When you have money, hey.